guys, we're gonna do banana pancakes and the egg. Let's roll, guys. Butter. The butter. I cooked by myself. Mommy, are you proud of me?
Of course, baby. Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Anak ni Jong Hilario na si Sarina, masayang ipinakita kung paano niya niluto ang kanyang banana pancake. Sa tulong ng kanyang mommy Maia ay nakagawa ito ng kanyang snack. Nakakatuwa dahil sa kanyang murang edad na 3 years old, ay sabik itong matuto gaya na lamang sa pagluluto. Napakasaya pa nitong tinanong ang kanyang mommy, kung ito ba ay proud sa kanya. Ito ang kabuuan ng kanyang nakaka-good vibes na video.
Hi guys, we're gonna do banana pancakes. Now it's time to make banana pancakes. Very easy, guys. Get the banana and mash it, and the egg. Let's roll, guys. Butter. The butter. I cooked by myself. Mommy, are you proud of me?
Of course, baby. Good job.
Bye, guys.